This is Milo playing with a little green toy that has a bird chirper in it. I just figured out that it chirps. Every time he moves it, it chirps. Get it, Milo. Chirps twice and then stops. Get it. Bring it back to the paper. Uh-oh, it's caught up in the curtains. I took it out of the toy it came in because it was annoying. And it sat on the table. Then it just went to the table and picked it up and now won't stop carrying it around. Look at that. Where did it go? Loves tissue paper. That's about all there is to it. It's just pretty funny that it keeps carrying it around. Milo's happy now, has no clue that he's going to the vet tomorrow. Uh-oh, it's caught in the curtain again. Uh-oh, you better get it. There we go. Okay.